Philomena. Philomena has bewitched my son. She never wants me to reap the fruit of my labor. That is why she refused to come home since my son married her.
Mama, why are you saying this? Auntie Philomena might not be the cause.
She is. She is the cause. Don't say what you don't know. Daniel, my son, is a hard-working person. Philo has decided that he should not help his people. It's Philo!
Okay, now that we have been calling and Boda has been busy in our call, what do we do? I know what to do.
I am going to the city.
Ah? Wow. Why are you laughing? Mama, please don't make me laugh. Wait. You want to go to the city? Mm-hmm. Who will allow you go to the city? Me. So you go there and get lost. Who do you know in the city?
And who told you I will get lost? Huh? I am going to the city. With these my two legs, I'm going to see Philo.
Let us see. Mama will not kill me. You want to go to the city? Ha! I beg, where do you know in the city? Mama!
Hey, see my man. Laugh now, where have you been?
Oh boy.
I came to your house the other day, I didn't see you.
You won't understand. My brother, I am stressed. I am not happy at all.
Pain. Does it mean that you went to farm or you overworked yourself? Again,
you won't understand. I'm heartbroken. My girlfriend has been messing up with me. I even went to their house. The mother chased me out. She poured water on me, stoned me out of the compound. I mean, what for? Why would she treat me like that? Like a nobody? You don't understand. After all I've invested on that girl, I just gave her 30K recently. The money I couldn't even give to my mother. I mean, you don't understand.
Hey. You mean you gave her 30,000?
Of course.
You gave a girl 30,000. Okay, now fine. You gave her 30,000. I asked you to borrow me ordinary 5,000 euros. Okay, just imagine the other day we were contributing 5,000 naira. You swear you swear with your full life that you nearly naked for me. Fine. Now okay, we were contributing 5,000 naira. You know, all those are our end of year things. You said you don't have, and you have 30,000 naira to give to a girl. I can see that you are not okay. You are running mad.
Baba, calm down. There's something you don't understand.
You want me to understand?
Extra mind to please her. You can do anything. That girl, I love her so much. From the bottom of my heart. I can do anything for her. I can kill. I can go any length for her. You don't understand. Understand me.
See, let me tell you. There is nothing you love about her apart from that big waist and her breast. You understand?
I'm even ready to sell my father's land.
Hey!
Because of her.
Hope you are not running mad, though. See, wait, let me ask you. Hope you are not running mad. See, let me tell you, I will just call them so that they will prepare you and take you to a psychiatric home. Maybe they will have solutions for you there. Don't worry. And I will make sure.
He's blind.
Go and love yourself.
Is blind.
Love yourself and die yourself.
You don't understand. Nobody will have such a girl.
How can Philo tell me that work was bad? I am sure she was counting big money that time she locked herself inside here. I'm going to search everywhere now.
Rat.
A very big rat. Big rat. Huh?
I've not read this house now.
Philo, are you now calling me a liar?
No. As you say you see rat, I never see rat before.
Let's just go back to bed, okay? I mean, it's just a common rat.
You see rat, you see me go back to bed. Rat no common, rat way big. It no be common rat. I know if you close my eyes, sleep again.
So you want us to be awake because of rats? Common rats.
Common rat, maybe we come.
Let's go back to bed. It's getting late.
My brother, my husband, I need to feel when you go back to bed. This eye now, you don't clear.
Wait, did you just call me your brother?
No, my brother, my husband. When big rats they involved, person will know the difference again. As make my eye achieve where the rats enter.
Philo, let's go back to bed. See, you're going to the airport tomorrow. You need to sleep.
You
want to be awake because of rats.
That way I wake up meet you to find. That's make a day awake to find.
See, you need to sleep. As your husband, I need to be awake to watch over you as you are sleeping.
You know, you see you too, you need to sleep. As your wife, as I want to do prayer for make her be watch where you are for them. Now for better for us.
So you want to be awake because of rats?
Half. Yeah. That's if you wake me. Big rats. You see so.
See, Philo, let's just go back to bed. Let's sleep. Forget about the rats. It's not important.
It's not important. Now you can't see it.
Let's sleep. You have to sleep. We are going to work tomorrow. We are going to the airport tomorrow. You have to go to bed. Sleep now. Is anyone home? Mama, it's me.
What are you doing here?
Mama, I was passing. I said, let me come and check on you and know how you are doing.
Chekube, do you really mean good for my family?
Yes, Mama, I hold nothing against your family. Well, Daniel is my very good friend. I can't betray him for any amount.
You are not a friend to my son. That was how you lied to me the other time, that my son did not sleep at your place.
No, Mama, I did not lie to you. Daniel did not sleep in my house. What will I gain if I lie to you, Mama? No, now. I can't lie to you, Mama.
Go. Go! Get out from here. I do not want to curse. Leave.
Mama, I don't understand.
You don't understand. You will understand by the time I go in there and come up and meet you. Then you will understand.
I now understand, Mama.
Go.
I don't understand.
You are not a friend to my son. That was how you lied to me the other time, that my son did not sleep at your place.
This woman took this very serious. How do I vindicate myself from this? She's even seeing me as an enemy. What do I do? Should I call Daniel? I can't be enemy to this family. It's not possible. No, I can't. I think I should call Daniel. I will do something about it.
I'm about to give the biggest surprise to my old friend. I know that she'll be very surprised how I got her number. I just want to surprise her. I mean, since she got married, the husband changed the number. Now, I know she will ask me, where did you get your my number? Let me call her. Come boy, Zibo. Hey.
Filo na hustler. Filo na hustler. Where they hustler more tight, yo. She hustle pass it, man, no.
Your phone is ringing. No, be that. The number is not safe. I better tell the person make it call back. My only money be this. Time na money. I dey busy. Make call back, yeah?
Ma, the person is calling again.
Yes. Hello?
Hello? Philo?
Now who be that? Who be this? It's too early. Na morning be this. Time na money. You say you be who? You say you be who? I don't hear you. Coming back for night. I dey busy now. Time na money. You're coming back for night. I don't hear you now. Anybody where you be coming for night. Say, go keep on.
Why did she bang the phone on me?
Keep her for room. You are not ready for school?
He's almost ready.
Why you do quick? I got appointment for 9 o'clock. Oh. No, answer the phone again. No, bring them again.
If you are not so talking money.
I don't know, Philomena can never change. Every time she be acting like she just be full of herself. What is even wrong with her? By the time I am done with her, she will not even understand what hit her. What's even her problem? I'm even the one that even called her. She said she should even be happy that I called her. Every time you feel like you're too big.
Good day. The way you are looking at me, do you still remember me?
Good day, yes. You're Daniel's friend.
Good memory. Can I sit?
Yes, please.
Oh, so how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Alright, I can see that. Are you alright?
Yes. I'm very alright too.
Okay.
I'm alright.
Please, can I get a cup of water?
Water. Are you okay?
Thanks for the water. Please, I want to confirm something from you.
Okay. What is it?
That very night you and Daniel dropped me in my house.
Yes.
Where did he sleep?
Daniel?
Yes.
He slept at his house.
That's not true. Please, tell me the truth. Where did Daniel pass the night? Please. If this is what truly happened, then my friend Daniel is in trouble. Yes, that girl must have skeleton in her cupboard. But the question is, why didn't Daniel tell me about this? Or is it that you don't want me to know? I don't just understand.
Philo na hustler. Philo na hustler. Where they hustler more tight, yo. She hustle pass a man, no.
Darling, when did you bring back the new car?
My mechanic bring her.
Wow.
My mechanic can bring her. I want to show you something.
What could that be?
I'll show you something now. Yeah, sorry. You look at first.
Okay. What is it for?
Uniform, please. I mean, no stress yourself. The uniform.
My uniform?
Yes. I don't check the cap. Go size your head. the shirt and the trouser. It could just fit you like say they born you with them. So no worry.
Wait, I mean, must I use a uniform with you?
Yes, you must wear uniform. Because at the uniform, I be the level. I be the packaging. Yeah, by the time you reach airport now, when we start now, because I know what the flight schedule for my head. I know when they go land, I know when they go take off. Once you reach there now, you dress like this. By the time they look at those other taxi people, say that they sweat for their armpits. They go price and say, 250.
What kind of problem is this? Did I tell Philo that I want to do taxi driving work?
What do they think?
Nothing. I mean, I like the new uniform. It's beautiful.
I know you, my husband. I know you now. I know what you like. I thought you say you go picture like say they born you with her.
I like it. Oh, so I'll be driving this one then, and you'll be driving this one.
No. Not be just to say you the driver, I'm the driver. You go to use this one to do taxi. Me, I go to use this one to do taxi. Husband and wife, twin together.
And I'll be wearing this.
Yes, because when you bring your own, I bring my own. We'll grow. You wear uniform. Twin with your wife. So now be that.
It's okay.
You like her.
I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
Philo na hustler. Philo na hustler. Where they hustler more tight, yo. She hustle pass a man, no. Taxi driver. Serious taxi driver. Philo they hustle for money, oh. What a man no can do, a woman no can do better.
ONE1
ONE1
TWO2
TWO2
THREE3
THREE3
3 FOUR4
FOUR4.
Look at me. FOUR4. Say it louder. FOUR4.
FOUR4.
Beautiful. FIVE5
FIVE5
XIX6
XIX6
XEVEN7 XEVEN7 EIGHT8 No, not D. G not D. Junior. G HT 8 NINE 9 TEN 10 Good boy, clap for yourself. Good boy. So what is your father's name?
My father's name?
Yes. Your father's name is Daniel Eze. Say it.
Daniel Eze.
And what is your mother's name? Philomena Eze. Say it.
Philomena Eze.
Yes, daddy's name is Daniel Eze and mommy's name is Philomena Eze. And you are Junior Daniel Eze. Right?
Yes.
So good boy. What is your father's name? Say it.
Daniel
Eze. Beautiful. And what is your mother's name? Philomena. Yeah, Eze.
What is going on?
Madam. Hey, madam, just give me 20 minutes. Let me buy fuel.
And listen to me. I do not want you to delay me because my flight is due in 30 minutes time. Do you understand?
Madam, I cannot make it 30 minutes. Let me just buy fuel. It's 20 minutes.
Are you crazy? How dare you open your filthy mouth and tell me that you've run out of fuel? Are you okay?
Madam, why are you insulting me?
Because you're a lazy man.
Madam, me lazy?
Yes.
You come down from my car. Nonsense.
You insult me. You don't know that where I live, I'm the man of the house. Eh? Don't you know that where I come from, I'm the man? Come down.
Are you okay? Young man, have you lost your sense of reasoning? Are you a madman?
If I am mad, You are insulting me because I'm driving you.
Yes, you are a useless man. A good-for-nothing man.
Don't you know that where I live, I am the man of the house?
You are nothing but a useless fellow. By the time I am done with you, your life will be more miserable than this.
What is it now?
Just hold on. I will so mess you up today. I will mess you up.
I say wait, let me go and buy fuel now. Is it a crime? Because I'm driving you, you are insulting me.
Can you imagine? He got asshole. I said shut up! Shut up! By the time I am done with you, your life will be more miserable than this.
A lie.
Wait for me. You don't mess with me anyhow.
Just give me, let me buy fuel. I'm coming, madam.
Can you imagine?
Let me buy fuel. I'm coming. Madam, let me buy fuel, oh.
Oh God, I will so mess this guy up. Imagine him. He laid his filthy hands on me.
Mama.
My dear.
Mama, I have decided to visit my sister in the city. Mama, I can't continue staying in this village doing nothing. Eh?
My son Peter.
Mama.
Do you think going to the city to see your sister is the best option?
Mama, for now, going to the city is the best option. Mama, I'm doing nothing here. Nothing, no job, nothing. While my sister is in the city living well. Yes, Mama, she's doing so well in the city. I'm just here walling away my time. Mama, I need to go to the city.
Okay. Have you called her to confirm how they are faring? Their condition?
Mama, I have not called her. But I don't need any call confirmation for me to go to the city and visit my sister. I don't need to call her to go there. She's my own blood, my own sister. I'll go and visit her.
You know that they are doing well.
Yes,
she's
Mama.
Doing well in her business.
Very, very well.
That is what you thought. You are not sure. You are not sure. Eh?
Mama, it's not a matter of thoughts. I am certain that my sister is doing so well in the city. She's doing so well. Allow me to go to the city.
My son, I cannot stop you. I cannot stop you. But if you say that you will go and see her, no problem.
Thank you, Ma.
When are you planning to go?
Mama, I'll go to the city next week. Yes. The earlier the better.
Wait you. Peter.
Mama.
Wait you. You want to go to the city for her to do something. And you say you are going next week. Next week, I'll go for Abia.
Mama, I know. The earlier the better. I'm doing nothing here. I'm just wasting my time here. No job, nothing. What in the way here?
Next week, Asia.
Mama, I will go there next week.
Filo na hustler, where they hustler more tight. She hustle by the man, taxi driver, serious taxi driver.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Yeah. Madam, no, madam, I don't just today. No problem. Hello? Who? Hey, oh, officer, good afternoon. How you taking my number? Eh? Station? Why? Who arrest them? Okay, no problem. Come.
Ma?
I'm coming. Okay. Take care of Junior.
Okay, ma.
dollar, she dey hustle and tight. If you are not talking money, you are talking and you're poor.
This one that she's not answering my call. I'm not asking. Even if she doesn't have my number, is there an excuse for her to not pick my calls? What is even wrong with this girl self? Eh? I mean, should I call the husband? You'll be calling, so call. You will call the person will not pick. What is it? She doesn't even know what I want to even tell her. She doesn't know if I want to give her good news or bad news. You first pick my call and know if there's...
Kedu?
What is it?
I came to find out if you have spoken with Daniel.
As Daniel's keeper or what? Or what?
I really want to ask you.
Hey! Please leave this compound. Leave this compound! I don't want to see you here again. You know Daniel's house. Go and look for him in his house. Okay? Every time Daniel, please leave me alone, Abe.
Why are you talking to me like that? I only asked you a question.
Go and look for him in this family's house. Leave me alone. Every time Daniel. Rest. You don't see him. Look for him.
Masimi si wahala. I only asked a question.
Daniel.
You're acting like a dog. Okay. Well.
Rubbish! This is absolute rubbish! Don't do it! Why do you go provoke? How can a maid woman have the guts to lock me up at the police cell? All because I accepted to do this rubbish work?
No verse. I mean, I don't beg you. You know how much I give them for police station?
What are you even talking about? Why do you even wear this stupid cap self? Are you talking about the money you spent or the humiliation I got at the police cell? Just because I accepted to do this rubbish work? I no go do this work again. I no go do am.
Money I give you for free. What do you think I'm doing? For buy for the money.
I am not talking about the money here. I'm talking about the humiliation. Look at me. I'm your husband. Man of the house. At the police cell. Because... what is it? Why I no go vex? Why no go vex? You know what? I don't want to have this conversation again. Waiting. I'm tired. Waiting. Imagine me, man of the house, locked up at the police cell. Just because I accepted to do this rubbish work. Waiting now.
Man, how can I put for inside motor? They go, they clap for him. Eh? I don't like the way that they vessel. I get my reason why they keep quiet. And my money now I go spend for police station. Not the woman of the house now wear uniform so. Eh?
Filo na hustler, where they hustler mo tight yo. She hustle pass a man no, taxi driver, serious taxi driver. Filo they hustle for money oh. What a man no can do, a woman no can do better. If you are not so talking money, hey, feel our cause time and money. And she dey use and well, hey. My money she dey find you. No longer talk, hope one make a jolly. She don't know the dollar, she dey hustle and light you. If you are not talking money, you are talking and you're poor. Filo na hustler.
Junior, let's go inside, okay? Let's go and eat. You don't want to eat. I know it's because you're playing. Let's go inside, Biko. You don't want to eat. Oga Junior, sir. Sir, let's go. Oh, don't worry. You continue playing later. Let's go. Yeah, see your teddy. Let's go. Yeah. Don't worry. Let me carry your teddy. Go inside. After you. I don't want to eat.
Time and money, and she did use on well. Hey, my money she define you. Also, I'm tight. She also passing.
I'm coming. They come, Nana. Say they come. I'm coming, ma. I'm sorry. I'm here.
Leave over there. Come stand here. What do you want to?
I want to cook yam.
Yam. If you had yam. Yam, I want to. I'm looking on best for not. Then they call Lagos again. Every time I ask you yam. Go bring yam we walk mass here.
Okay. The water. Okay, let me take the water.
Yam money. Like yam. Bring the yam. You don't plant the yam?
I'm there, I will see the yam. And this small one, I want to prepare. What the fuck do you chop?
That's small yam. This one is small yam for your eye. That's small yam for your eye. So I don't call you yam now. You see yam? Cook this one today. This one. The main one. Yam. Then I cook beans next tomorroorrow. Hear me now?
Okay.
You see the bet mark? I cut into two. I don't have fun. Maybe twins now. This one, cook today. This one, yam and beans tomorrow. You hear me now? Okay. Yam na 1, 2. Aboki don't verse. Aboki they verse for us. So then they come Lagos, tomato. Then they come with yam. You hear me now? If you like yam, so all the beans don't spoil. Yam. Take. That when they say 1, 2. Two like yam. Boil am. Man of the house like yam. Job finish. So come back and say one by yam. 1, 2. Aboki the best for us. No cook all though. Then they had to cook porridge. You pack all your full am.
What's happening to me? I'm feeling feverish. I think I need medical checkup. What is wrong with me? I think I need to see a doctor. Let me dress up.
Didn't you hear I was calling you?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't hear when you called, sir.
Don't you know I'm the man of the house?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. Whose food is this?
Sir, it's your food, sir. I served it myself.
Would you?
Sir?
My food?
Yes, sir. Your food.
Would you? Is this food for the dogs or for who?
No, it's yours, sir. It's yours.
Can you imagine this girl insulting me in my own house?
Hey. You insult my husband? No, ma. I didn't insult you.
You said what is I was stolen with this spoon? Are you mad?
What's that? Are you mad?
What kind of food is this?
The food.
Look at the food.
Baby, what do you mean the food?
Philo, were you the one that asked her to serve me this food?
You they go.
You're asking her to go?
Baby, money no dey. As no dey now, I see. You know say before if money dey go back and full everywhere. I
As no dinner now, we just manage cover secret cook like this.
Philo, I should manage this food.
No day.
Eat your food.
Yes.
Eat your food!
Baby. Hey, you don't find you everywhere. What did you do for you the drink now?
Baby, waiting. Just let me be, oh. Let me be.
You too the best. Many years now, the same thing I tell you every day. You too the best. Be like that. Eh? Yes.
Philo, let me be.
Would you go sleep? Nothing day. No day. Let me say no, just manage a cooker like that.
Manage waiting.
The yam. I'll use chicken cook for you tomorrow. Chicken. Eh? No vex.
Why no go vex? Every time you be telling me you love me, and you instructed your maid to serve me that rubbish meal.
Nothing day. Let me make. I don't expect to give you before. No vex. And I get a surprise for you.
I don't want your surprise. Go with it.
Now money surprise you.
I don't want. Go with your money.
And I plan to go. I will increase that tomorrow.
How much is there?
10,000.
Make sure you fulfill your promise. So.
I will be here. You complete money to count on a 10. Do you like money? Sorry. Hey. I need chicken cook for you tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, chicken. Live chicken now take for you tomorrow. The head go bend because no deal, everywhere hard. Okay?
Let's go to bed.
No. It's the best. Move like that.
Where did they go?
Yeah. Sleep. How you still sleep? Huh? Daniel? Huh? How you still sleep? Wake up now.
What?
Come prepare for work.
Work?
Yes, work.
I'm tired though. I'm not sure I can do any work today. I'm very tired.
Why? Why now?
See, I don't even think I'll do this work again. Must I do this work with you? See, just raise a little money for me. Let me start my own business. As the man of the house, let me be running my own business.
I don't understand. You don't forget that this work now will they take it for this house? The other time you complain say they abuse you. Then they abuse me, woman of the house. Stand up now, go work.
So what are you trying to say now? Some more time you go about telling people that you raised money for me to renovate my mother's house at the village. Abi?
Nah, I did. You don't run, go queue now. You know, so it's a bit verse, where? No verse.
I'm tired. I'm tired. Just allow me to rest.
Okay. One of yours. Come on, cover you with blanket.
Be go work now. What is it? I want to sleep. Can you imagine? Work. You owe me. A graduate. A taxi driver. I think you see me back.
At last, my plan is about to come true. What should be my next step now that I have confirmed it? Do I tell him? No. It's not wise to do so now.
Ugo, are you alright?
Mama, I'm alright.
Where have you been since morning?
I went to see a friend. Mama, did you cook? I'm very hungry.
Did I cook? You are very hungry. Go to the kitchen and cook. I am hungry too.
Mama, I'm very tired. I'm very hungry. I'm sick. I don't know why she's just being rude to me. Eh? She's not even the one that's not what's bothering me now. I have a lot.
Ugo, are you sure you are alright? Are you not vomiting right now?
Mama, I'm not vomiting, no.
Who vomited this thing?
Mama, it's water. I just poured spit. I'm having typhoid. I told you that I'm weak, I'm sick, I can't cook anything. That's why I told you that I'm tired. I need to rest. I just need to rest.
Wait, do you think I'm still a child? Tell me what the problem is. I am a woman. Talk to me.
Mama, I'm fine. I'm okay.
You are not fine. You are not fine.
Mama, I just have typhoid. Typhoid.
You have typhoid?
Yes.
Well, we have to go and see a doctor. Yes, we have to see the doctor.
Mama, I'm too tired to walk. Oh. I'm just too tired. Unless you bring bulldozer to come and bulldozer me from here. I don't have strength at all. I just want to go and lie down.
You don't want to go to the hospital?
I'll go at my own time.
At your own time?
Yes.
Hey. It's alright. Alright, go. Hey.
Gets this number now. Hope it's not one of my dead talks, so. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Who is this?
It's me, Ugo, your wife's friend.
How did she get my number?
You're not talking.
Hello? What do you want?
How is your wife?
Was that why you called?
Not really. Daniel, I called to let you know what is going on.
Okay. What is going on?
Dan, I am pregnant.
You are pregnant. How that one take concern me?
You are responsible for it. I am 3 months pregnant for you.
You are very stupid. Me responsible. See, make sure you don't call this line again. Don't call this line again. She's pregnant. Can you imagine? Oh, wow. Let me even block this line.
My madam is not yet back from work.
Work?
Yes.
Does my sister work?
I thought you said you are her brother. My madam is among the prosperous taxi drivers in this town.
My sister drives taxi.
Professionally, with uniform, like complete attire. Ha! Did you see any car in front of the house?
Yes, I saw a car parked outside.
That's a new car she bought now. She bought a new car. Yes, it's not just that one. She has 2 cars, 2 good cars. She actually went to work with one.
So my sister owns a car, like 2 cars.
I don't understand. All this question you're asking, Seth. I'm confused. I thought you said you are her brother, like madam is your sister. So why are you asking? Are you sure you are actually her brother?
Uju, see, the thing is that my sister told me about the whole cars and everything. But I just want to hear it from your mouth. Let me be sure that you also know about it.
I know about it now. No. Auntie Philo is a very nice woman. So we relate very well in this house.
Okay, yes. No problem. I will just call Mama and tell Mama about it.
No, I got that side. Tell who? Please, just keep your mouth shut. Don't say I said. Please.
No problem. I won't tell her.
Please,
Please, can you take this water? It's just wasting.
Don't worry, I won't. But please, don't tell anybody I said.
I will not tell her. Just
keep your mouth shut, please.
My sister owns a car and we don't know about it. Not just one, 2 cars. And I'm suffering in the village. She don't even care about us. What kind of sister is that? Don't worry, I will not tell Mama.
I don't understand though. You are not the only people living in this compound. I will on water for everybody. Nobody will come and off it. Everything you do is do it.
Hello, Mama. Mama, it's Peter. Mama, I just got to Sister Philo's house now. Mama, everybody is fine. Everything is fine. But I have not seen Sister Philo. Mama, the house girl Uju told me that she went to work. That she's not back. Mama, everybody's fine. Don't worry. When she comes back, I will discuss with her and then I'll call you back. I'll call you back, Mama.
So this car belongs to my sister. Hey! My sister is really a big girl though. Hey! Sika!
Hey! What are you doing? Come here. What are you doing?
Good afternoon, sir.
What are you doing?
I was only admiring my sister's car. Sir, I asked of you, would you tell me that you are still sleeping?
Who told him that?
So why is he angry now? Your in-law just came to come and see you and you're angry. I was only admiring my sister's car. That's your own business, so.
Would you bring water? Let me wash my sister's car,
Uju! What did you tell my wife's brother?
Your wife's brother? I did not tell him anything.
Start talking. I said, what did you tell Peter?
I did not tell him anything.
You're still lying to me.
I'm not lying.
Did you or did you not tell Peter that my wife was the one who bought the car?
I swear, I did not say a thing like that. It's not possible for me to say a thing like that. I did not.
Joe, if I later find out that you told Peter that my wife was the one who bought the car, I will kill you. Now get out. Get out! Stupid girl. Why didn't you tell me your brother will be visiting?
I don't come out by the time you call me. Sorry about that. I don't come out when you call me.
So what is he doing here?
I don't understand. My brother no fit visit me again.
So you told him you've been the one feeding the family, Abi?
How?
Are you going to deny it? You also told him you were the one that bought the new car.
What you dey talk?
You told him over the phone.
Let me just enter now. Daniel, stop. Because you know, see, I don't fit up that kind of thing.
See, I know what he's doing here. He's looking for money. Tell him we don't have money. Tell him to go back.
Philomena has bewitched my son. Daniel has forgotten about his mother because he is married to that devil. I know Philomena will not allow me to enjoy my son's wealth.
Mama, I have told you to leave Daniel and his wife alone.
I will not leave them. Daniel is my son. He is my son. I carried him for 9 months in this womb. I breastfed him with these 2 breasts. I will not leave him. And I will not permit Philomena to deprive me of my blessing. Never!
I would have said we should go to the city, but we don't know how to locate them.
I am not going to the city. I know what to do. I have heard enough of this.
So what do you want to do?
Watch out.
Mama,
watch out. Let me prepare.
Where are you going to?
Hey, this woman.
Philo.
Sister Philo. Sister, good morning.
I think you see the sleep.
No, I woke up very early this morning.
Ah, okay.
Hey, sister, I needed us to talk.
Time na money, bitter. You know my motto. Time na money.
Yes, sister, I know, but the reason why I came here is because I need your financial help.
So when I come back, me and you go sit down and talk.
My friend, will you stand there? What were you telling my wife?
Nothing, sir.
What do you mean nothing? I heard you said something. What was it?
Nothing, sir.
Do you think I'm a fool? My friend, I'm talking to you and you're putting your hands in your pocket?
Sorry, sir.
Now tell me, what were you telling my wife?
Nothing, sir. We are only discussing about the conversation I had with my mother.
The discussion you had with your mother? Let's hear it.
Nothing serious, sir. My mother sent her regards.
Regards, you said?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you. I don't know your plans in this house. But I want you to know that I am the man of this house. I married your sister. Okay?
He's the man of the house. What does he mean by that? I think my sister is afraid of him.
So this useless and mannerless imp is your husband?
You! What have you come to do here?
Shut up, John! Call him out!
You know, who is this woman?
What's happening?
Who is she to you?
Look at this good for nothing low life!
No, my own found that.
Well, Philo, I am sorry to say this, but I need my money by next week. Else, I'll take the car back from you. Remember, I have the original papers. Good for nothing idiots. Nonsense. Motherless imp!
Philo, who be this woman? Philo, who is this woman? Who is she? What is she doing here?
What did you do? What happened?